Hello, future AI pros. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the Oracle OCI Generative AI Professional Certification, exam code 1Z0-1127-25. Whether you're an AI developer, cloud engineer, or just starting your journey, this cert will put you at the forefront of generative AI on Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Let's dive in. Generative AI is exploding. Think custom chatbots, image generation, code assistance, all powered by OCI. This certification proves you can design, train, deploy, and secure these models at scale. Companies like startups and Fortune 500s are hunting for OCI Gen AI experts. Average salary boost? 15 to 25% in cloud AI roles. Plus, it's Oracle, a leader in enterprise cloud. First, the exam structure. It includes 60 questions to be completed in 90 minutes. The format covers multiple choice, drag and drop, and scenario-based items. Passing requires 65%, and the exam fee is $245 US. You can schedule it online with proctoring or at a Pearson VE test center. The certification remains valid for 2 years. Now let's cover what's needed to pass the exam. Go straight to certshero.com. They've got updated study material, mock exams, and guides made exactly for 1Z0-1127-25. That's all you need. Master the question style, understand every scenario, and walk in confident. Walk out certified. That's it. Your full plan to ace this exam. Register today and level up. Drop a comment. When are you taking this cert? Subscribe for more Oracle and AI tips and share with your team. Next video, live OCI Generative AI demo. See you there. Certify, deploy, dominate.